The 2024 BMW M5, a masterpiece of German engineering, a symphony of power, precision, and performance. It's a car designed to thrill, to exhilarate, to make you feel truly alive. But even the most meticulously crafted machines have their quirks. The M5, with all its technological prowess, is no exception. Behind the sleek exterior and blistering acceleration lies a complex web of systems. These systems, while generally reliable, can throw a tantrum from time to time. Don't worry though, we're here to unravel the mysteries of these occasional hiccups. We'll delve into the heart of the beast, exploring common issues that might plague your M5. From turbocharger troubles to electrical gremlins, we'll dissect the problems and provide clear, concise solutions. Think of this as a preemptive strike against potential mechanical mayhem. So buckle up, fellow enthusiasts. Let's embark on a journey into the intricate world of the 2024 BMW M5. We'll equip you with the knowledge to keep your beast running at peak performance, ensuring that your driving experience remains nothing short of exhilarating. At the heart of the M5's performance lies its twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This beast is a marvel of modern engineering, capable of propelling the car to exhilarating speeds. However, this intricate dance of air and fuel can sometimes falter. One common culprit is the turbocharger's wastegate actuator linkage pin. This unassuming pin, often exposed to the elements, can become corroded over time. Corrosion can hinder its movement, disrupting the delicate balance of boost pressure. The result? Your engine might unexpectedly go into a fail-safe mode, limiting power output to prevent potential damage. Imagine this. You're cruising on the Autobahn, the engine roaring with power. Suddenly the power drops, the engine note changes, and your heart skips a beat. Don't panic. This sudden loss of power could be the wastegate actuator acting up, forcing the engine into a protective slumber. While this might seem alarming, it's actually a testament to the M5's sophisticated self-preservation instincts. The car recognizes a potential issue and takes steps to prevent further damage. But fear not, for we'll soon delve into how to diagnose and rectify this wastegate woe, restoring your M5 to its full glory. While the turbochargers grab the headlines, let's not forget the humble spark plug. These tiny components play a crucial role in igniting the air-fuel mixture, ensuring smooth and powerful combustion. However, even these seemingly insignificant parts can cause significant headaches. Over time, spark plugs can deteriorate, leading to misfires and a host of performance issues. Imagine a misfire as a tiny hiccup in the engine's rhythm, disrupting the smooth flow of power. This can manifest as rough idling, hesitation under acceleration, and even reduced fuel efficiency. The demanding nature of the M5's high-performance engine puts extra stress on spark plugs, accelerating their wear and tear. Regular replacement, as per the manufacturer's recommendations, is crucial to prevent these issues from rearing their ugly heads. Fortunately, replacing spark plugs is a relatively straightforward task, even for those new to the world of DIY car maintenance. We'll guide you through the process, providing clear instructions and helpful tips to make the job a breeze. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your M5 running smoothly. The 2024 BMW M5 is a technological marvel, bristling with sensors, computers, and a complex web of wiring. While this intricate network enhances the driving experience, it can sometimes lead to electrical gremlins that leave you scratching your head. Imagine this. You're enjoying a spirited drive, the wind in your hair, when suddenly, a warning light on the dashboard illuminates. Or perhaps the infotainment system starts acting up, refusing to cooperate with your commands. These are just a few examples of the electrical quirks that can plague modern cars. The good news is that many electrical issues can be traced back to simple problems like loose connections, blown fuses, or faulty sensors. Before you start fearing the worst, a bit of troubleshooting can often pinpoint the culprit. We'll delve into some common electrical gremlins that might haunt your M5, providing simple checks and solutions to get you back on the road with minimal fuss. Remember, a little knowledge about your car's electrical system can go a long way in exorcising those pesky gremlins. Section 5, Wastegate Woes, a deep dive into turbocharger tantrums. We've already touched upon the wastegate's role in regulating boost pressure, but let's delve a bit deeper into this crucial component. The wastegate acts like a pressure relief valve, controlling the flow of exhaust gases that spin the turbocharger's turbine. Think of it as a bypass valve. When boost pressure exceeds a certain threshold, the wastegate opens, diverting some exhaust gases away from the turbine. This prevents overboosting, which can damage the engine. The wastegate actuator linkage pin plays a vital role in this delicate balancing act. When this pin becomes corroded, it can restrict the wastegate's movement, preventing it from opening and closing smoothly. This can lead to a range of issues, from the aforementioned fail-safe mode to inconsistent boost pressure and even turbocharger damage. Diagnosing a faulty wastegate actuator linkage pin involves inspecting the pin for signs of corrosion, checking for smooth movement, and potentially testing the actuator's vacuum or electronic control system. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step in detail. Section 6. Rectifying the wastegate, a step-by-step guide to freedom. Now that we've identified the potential culprit, let's roll up our sleeves and address the issue head-on. Rectifying a corroded wastegate actuator linkage pin is a relatively straightforward task, requiring basic tools and a bit of mechanical aptitude. Step 1. Locate the wastegate actuator. It's usually bolted to the turbocharger housing or a nearby bracket. Step 2. Inspect the actuator linkage pin for signs of corrosion. Rust, dirt, or debris can hinder its movement. Step 3. If corrosion is present, apply a penetrating lubricant to the pin and work it back and forth to loosen it up. Step 4. Once the pin moves freely, lubricate it with high-temperature grease to prevent future corrosion. Step 5. Reassemble everything, ensuring all connections are secure. Test the wastegate's movement to ensure smooth operation. Section 7. Reigniting the fire-conquering spark plug problems. Spark plugs might be small, but their impact on your M5's performance is significant. Replacing worn-out spark plugs is a relatively simple task that can significantly improve your engine's performance and efficiency. Step 1. Gather your tools. You'll need a spark plug socket, a ratchet, an extension bar, a torque wrench, and a gap gauge. Step 2. Locate the spark plugs. They're usually situated beneath coil packs or ignition wires, connected to the cylinder head. Step 3. Remove the coil packs or ignition wires, exposing the spark plugs. Step 4. Use the spark plug socket and ratchet to carefully unscrew and remove each spark plug. Step 5. Install the new spark plugs, hand tightening them initially. Use the torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque. Electrical issues can be frustrating, but a methodical approach can help you pinpoint and resolve many common problems. Remember, safety first. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal before working on any electrical components. Check the fuses. A blown fuse is a common culprit for electrical malfunctions. Consult your owner's manual to locate the fuse box and identify the correct fuse for the affected component. Inspect the battery. A weak or dying battery can cause a myriad of electrical gremlins. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure a secure connection. Look for loose connections. Vibrations can loosen electrical connections over time. Inspect wiring harnesses and connectors for any signs of looseness or damage. Consult the owner's manual. Your M5's owner's manual is a treasure trove of information. It often includes troubleshooting tips for common electrical issues. While tackling DIY fixes can be rewarding, it's crucial to recognize your limits. Some issues require specialized tools, expertise, or both. Attempting complex repairs beyond your skill level can lead to further damage and costly repairs. Warning signs. If you encounter persistent issues, unusual noises, or warning lights that refuse to go away, it's time to seek professional help. Don't ignore these signs. Addressing problems early can prevent more serious issues down the road. Finding a qualified mechanic. When seeking professional help, choose a reputable mechanic specializing in BMWs or European cars. They'll have the experience and knowledge to diagnose and repair your M5 correctly. Regular maintenance, prevention is always better than cure. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering major issues. The 2024 BMW M5 is a technological tour de force, a testament to German engineering prowess. Its powerful engine, precise handling, and luxurious interior make it a true driver's car. However, like any complex machine, it requires respect, understanding, and regular care. By familiarizing yourself with common issues and their solutions, you can keep your M5 running smoothly, ensuring that every drive is an exhilarating experience. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in preserving the symphony of power that is the BMW M5. Whether tackling DIY fixes or seeking professional help, always prioritize safety and thoroughness. Don't be afraid to consult your owner's manual, seek advice from experts, or join online forums to tap into the collective knowledge of fellow M5 enthusiasts. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to conquer common M5 issues, we invite you to join the conversation. Share your experiences, tips, and questions with a community of fellow enthusiasts. Have you encountered any of the issues discussed here? What solutions worked for you? Do you have any advice for fellow M5 owners? Let's create a space where we can learn from each other and keep our M5s running at their best. Remember, the journey of owning and maintaining a high-performance machine like the BMW M5 is an ongoing adventure. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can navigate the road ahead with confidence, ensuring that our M5s continue to thrill and inspire for years to come.